Hey guys, welcome back to cruzermans inventions. So today what we have is a bench grinder hooked up to a car alternator. Now the bridge rectifier's been taken out of this, so which means when you spin it up now it produces AC power instead of DC. Now it ain't running magnets in the center, so I'm going to power it up with a separate 12-volt battery. I'll get this thing running, guys, and show you. So this here bench grinder is plugged in to the wall socket. So let's get this thing up to speed. What we want to try and find, guys, is how much power is coming out of these wires, right? Just jam this in here. Alright guys, so around the back here we have 3 wires coming out, 3 phases, then we have the 2 brush ones. Now we got to power this up to a separate 12-volt battery to get power out. Now this meter's hooked up to it on the AC side. Now it should be producing power. Holy moly, we're on 90. Oh no, it might be 9.0. Yeah, it's only 9. Okay, 9.2. Let's just connect this for a minute. Let's turn that off. Now, because it's only such low power in AC form, I think that this motor would be probably best suited as an e-bike motor, right? So I'll take this belt off. Let's take that off, and that's pretty high strain stuff. I spent the last 2 days building all of this. So let's put the camera somewhere for a minute. Here. Now what I have here is 4 more batteries and a 1000-watt controller here at 48 volts. So the mag battery, let's just take all of these wires off. I'm going to hook up the 12-volt battery to the center mag up over here, guys. So that's the center field all magnetized now. Now I'll just quickly get this controller's 3 phases here hooked up. 1 on the wires, 2, 3. Okay, 3 wires hooked up, and the mag one. So I think there's a switch here. Oh, let's just check the voltage of our battery pack. We're on 51.8 along these 4 batteries all connected in series. There's a negative at the end I'm taking that from, and a positive at the other end, which is going back to the controller. Right, let's hit it. Okay, turn this on. It's on now. I got a throttle here, guys, and it also has the volts on it and a 3-speed switch. So gear 3, 51.4 volts. Let's. Oh yeah, look at that. Pretty cool, guys. So yeah, it definitely looks good as an e-bike motor for sure, right? Let's try gear 2, gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, Yeah, definitely good as an e-bike motor. So there could be another project coming up. I think that's what it's good for, guys. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this little experiment. It's been hectic over the last 2 days with it. So anyways, guys, now you know it doesn't really produce much without the permanent neodymium magnets in the middle of that alternator. That's what really pumps out the power when it's turned, and you don't need that mag battery. So yeah, cool, guys. See you in the next vid coming up. It's a surprise. Cruiser Man out.